education, and corporate training. In our education packs, we offer training and development programs to help businesses enhance the skills and knowledge of our clients' employees. These programs can include workshops, online courses, and leadership development initiatives, all designed to address specific industry needs and organizational goals. We work closely with clients to identify skill gaps, design customized learning solutions, and deliver training that is both engaging and effective. By offering continuous education and professional development, Elihos helps businesses improve employee performance, boost loyalty, and stay competitive in their respective markets by taking role in organizational audits. What we do for you: identifying and assessing future and current training needs, drawing an overall or individualized training and development plan, decide training content and materials that need to generate higher productivity and safety among staff, create printed and instructional materials to be distributed during training, leading programs to assist employees with transitions due to technological changes, acquisitions, and mergers, communicating with management and team members to ensure that all needs are met, setting up executive or leadership development programs for lower-level employees, conducting orientation programs and arranging on-the-job training for new hires, administer tests after the completion of training courses to determine the effectiveness, determine the scope of the internal audit, and develop an annual plan, conduct and control the full audit cycle in accordance with organizational regulations. For more progressive business approaches, contact Elihos today.